Okay, this is going to be a quick demo of the Google Maps API and LAMP. The environment hasn't changed, so I just added a new PHP file to the old project. So if we go to the old project, click this link, that will take us to the new PHP page, where we'll get all our browser information and our Google Maps API telling us exactly where we are. Taking a little while to load. Here we go. IP address, my ISP, everything, and a nice little pin telling me that I live in Industrial Boulevard, which I don't, but it's close enough. And if we scroll down, I actually print out the two arrays for the browser and location information down here. And just to show you that I have everything. I also added a new table to the database to keep track of all our users. It stores the IP when they access the website, the serialized version of the location array that's returned by that IP API, and the number of times they visited the website. If I refresh this, you can see that times visited goes up since I just revisited the website. If you look in the code, here we have where we pull the array from the IP API. I noticed that the link you gave was actually deprecated. There's a newer version that uses JSON encode and decode. I didn't know if we had to use this API, so I just went ahead and used this one. This is where we call get browser to get the browser information. For the Google Maps API, I decided to do it in JavaScript. Notice the link that you gave an error to link to the professional Google Maps API thing. So I may have accidentally emailed Google asking for a professional key. But after a bit of searching, I found that you can just get like a free JavaScript key here. So the way my Maps actually works is instead of pulling from the database, I just take the values for the latitude and the longitude from the IP API array here, pass it into a location variable, and then tell Google Maps center on that location and place a marker there. And I also added a title to the marker, so when you mouse over it, it'll show you your city and your state. Scroll up a bit. Oh, come on. A little slow. There it is. So yeah, that's that all working. As far as problems, like I just said, I may or may not have accidentally sent Google an email asking for professional access. I also had problems getting the browser thing to work, but it just turns out I was using an out-of-date browser INI file. I downloaded a new one, stuck it in my PHP folder, restarted Apache, and everything started working. As far as when you'd use this, I mean, if you're a business and you want to show people exactly where your business is, you can use something like this to say, hey, this is where we are, this is where you can find us. Or if you're any sort of web developer and you want to see who from where accesses your website for like some statistics or demographics, like if for some reason you want to know that your website's popular in like China or India, you can get that information. I guess that's pretty much it. Like, comment, and subscribe.